So hey nerds, this is Suman and this is our today's integral. And this integral is very much difficult to solve. Yes, it is very much non-intuitive type and ordinary. Just you cannot just substitute and just get the value, but you have to manipulate some algebraic terms here. So we have to firstly manipulate the algebraic terms like this. So I'm going to write it as 1 over x squared, and it is divided by x squared minus 1 plus 1 over x squared, right? So I'm going to write it like this, right? So after that we get, and we have some with this respect to x, right? And what we have to do here now, so I am going to do something very much interesting thing. You can actually see that is, I am going to write x squared minus 2 plus 1 over x squared plus 1. So this makes also sense. Okay, so from here I am going to make it something like whole square term. You can see from here that it is a squared minus 2, and in terms of a, in terms of b, plus 1 over x squared plus 1, right? So from here you can say 1 plus 1 over x squared, and this is dx over, so this can be written as x minus 1 over x squared, right? And plus 1 squared. So if you look at this below the pattern here, once you differentiate it, you get the upper term, right? So I'm going to substitute u as my x minus 1 over x. So once I am going to differentiate it, I am going to get this term. So that's why I had manipulated the terms like that. So I got du is 1 plus 1 over x squared times dx, right? So in terms of du, you can easily substitute in terms of this much, you can substitute du. So you can write it as du over, you have just u squared plus 1, and this is simply the identity, that is 1 over a tan inverse x over a. So in terms of a you have 1, right? And it is not necessary to write it, but we have to write tan inverse. In terms of x we have u over, in terms of a we have 1 plus some constant c. So the final result is tan inverse, and in terms of u you can substitute x minus 1 over x with some constant c. So this would be our final result. So up to there, bye bye, and try to send your problems.